Drinking orange juice every day can have both positive and negative effects on your body, depending on various factors like quantity consumed, individual health conditions, and overall diet. Positive effects. Vitamin C boost. Orange juice is rich in vitamin C, which is crucial for a healthy immune system. Regular intake can support your body's defense against illnesses. Antioxidants. It contains antioxidants that may help reduce oxidative stress, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Potassium. Oranges are a good source of potassium, which is essential for heart health and helps regulate blood pressure. Hydration. As a hydrating beverage, it contributes to maintaining proper fluid balance in your body. Negative effects. Sugar content. Orange juice contains natural sugars, which, if consumed in excess, can contribute to weight gain and potentially increase the risk of diabetes. Acidic nature. Its acidity might cause issues for people with acid reflux or sensitive stomachs, leading to heartburn or discomfort. Dental health. The high acidity and sugar content can contribute to dental problems like enamel erosion and cavities, especially if consumed frequently without proper oral hygiene. Dental health. The acidity and sugar content in orange juice can potentially harm tooth enamel over time. It's advisable to rinse your mouth with water after drinking to mitigate this effect. 5. Digestive health. Some people might experience digestive issues like bloating or discomfort due to the high acidity in orange juice, especially if they have a sensitive stomach or gastrointestinal conditions. 6. Nutrient intake. While orange juice contains vitamins and minerals, it lacks the fiber present in whole fruits. Fiber is essential for digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Consuming whole fruits or incorporating other sources of fiber into your diet is important. 7. Weight management. Due to its sugar content, drinking excessive amounts of orange juice might contribute to weight gain, if not balanced with overall calorie intake. Allergies. Some individuals might be allergic to citrus fruits like oranges, leading to allergic reactions, such as itching, hives, or swelling. It's important to be mindful of any adverse reactions when consuming orange juice regularly. 9. Blood sugar levels. While orange juice contains natural sugars, it can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, especially in people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Monitoring portion sizes and considering the overall carbohydrate intake is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. 10. Skin health. The vitamin C in orange juice can contribute to collagen production, which supports skin health by maintaining its elasticity and reducing signs of aging. However, excessive consumption may not necessarily lead to increased benefits for the skin.